Click on the Telstra website link in the search results. In the navigation bar, select Mobile Plan under Choose a Plan. Click Copy next to the promo code PROMO10. Choose any plan you prefer from the options available. Click Add to Cart to proceed with the purchase. In the Cart section, click on Go to your cart. In the Account selection area, click on I'm new to Telstra. In the form, enter your email address in the provided field. Click the Continue button in the form to proceed. Finally, complete the setup of your account and pay the Telstra eSIM fee to buy the eSIM.